Hi guys, it's Mike here from my J-Fret bass lessons. Today I would like to teach you just a common bass exercise using your 9th and your 11th. So what I mean by 9th is extension. So if you have starting from the key of G, if you have your G and we have B, D, and we have our F sharp up there, that's our 7th. So we have that's 7th, then if you count up, 8th, 9th. So that's your 9th right there. Your 9th, which is your second, lower second octave, 9th. And the 11th, if you go further, which is 9, 10, 11th. So when the keyboard player are using the words 11th, 9th, 11th, 9th, they're just trying to explain to you that the chord is an extended chord. I hope you understand what I'm saying here. So I'm gonna take it again. It's as simple as that. You can as well, play it backwards, but it's just a simple bass exercise. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you do, please like, share, comment.